Students, this is NCERT exercise problem 2.30 from page number 70 of structure of atom, right? So let's read this statement. Explain, giving reason, which of the following sets of quantum numbers are not possible. You are having 6 problems and you have to tell about which set of quantum numbers are not possible, right? So first of all, we just see the conditions, right? N, that means principal quantum number. It is very clear that N always starts from 1 and it will go 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, right? L is always less than N, that means N minus 1 and it will start from 0 to N minus 1, right? M, L is always minus L to plus L, right? And MS, there are only two spins that are existing, that is minus half and plus half, right? Now we will see our first problem. In this case, N equal to 0. It is very much obvious from this condition that N cannot be 0, right? So obviously this set of quantum number cannot be possible, right? So you can write over here not possible. Also write the reason, because N cannot have 0 value, right? Now let's see the next one. In this case, N equal to 1, right? So N equal to 1. Now L will be 0 to N minus 1. So in this case, definitely L is 0, right? And ML will be minus L2 plus L. Now L is 0, surely ML will also be 0. And we are having minus half spin over here. So this set of quantum number is for sure possible, right? Now let's see the third one. In this case, N equal to 1 and L equal to 1. Now it is very much clear from this condition that N is always greater than L. L cannot be equal to the value of N. So this set of quantum number cannot exist, right? So you can write over here not possible, because L cannot be equal to the value of N, right? In bracket you can write N cannot be equal to the value of L, right? N is always greater than L, right? Now let's see the D1. In this case, N equal to 2, L equal to 1, N equal to 2. First of all, we'll see the possible values in case of N equal to 2. In this case, L will be 0 to N minus 1. That means 0 to 2 minus 1. 0 to 2 minus 1, 1. This means L will be equal to 0 or 1. That means the value of L equal to 1 can exist, right? ML will be minus L2 plus L, right? So first of all, when L equal to 0, in this case ML will be 0, right? When L equal to 1, in this case ML will be minus 1 to plus 1. That means minus 1, 0 plus 1. So we are having ML equal to 0. That means one of the orbital for this set of quantum number can have value ML equal to 0. So this orbital, or you can say this set of quantum numbers are possible. N equal to 2, L equal to 1, ML equal to 0 and MS equal to minus half. Surely this set of quantum number can be possible, right? Now let's see the E1. E is N equal to 3, L equal to 3, ML equal to minus 3 and MS equal to plus half. Now we know it very well that n cannot be equal to the value of L. N is always greater than the value of L. So definitely this set of quantum number is not possible, right? So you can write, because for n equal to 3, the possible value of L will be 0 to n minus 1. That means L can be 0 to 3 minus 1. 0 to 2, right? So 0, 1, 2. These are the possible values for L. Now let's see the next one. F1 is n equal to 3, L equal to 1, ml equal to 0, and ms equal to plus half. Now in this case we are having n equal to 3. Let's see the possible values of L, ml and ms, right? So n equal to 3, that means L can be 0 to n minus 1. 0 to 3 minus 1. That means 0 to 2. These are the possible values of L. So 0, 1 and 2. So these are the possible values of L, right? So for sure, for the value of ml, we can consider minus L2 plus L. That means if the value of L equal to 0, the possible value of ml will be 0. If the value of L equal to 1, ml will be minus 1 to plus 1. That means minus 1, 0, plus 1. If the value of L equal to 2, the possible values of ml will be minus 2 to plus 2. That means minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. So you can clearly see that for n equal to 3, definitely L can be 0 and ml can also be 0. Meanwhile, we are having only two values of spin quantum number, plus half and minus half. And for this question, we are having ms equal to plus half. That means this set of quantum numbers are possible.